When your child becomes a black tag and their black belt grading's in 3 months, you do not need to pack their bag and get them ready to go to class. They're packing your bag. How many of you have to really encourage, your children to get to class? Just one, right? Where are they? so I think most parents, right? I mean, that's pretty. Don't be embarrassed, guys. That's pretty normal. The goal for us is to try and give your child more drive, to try and make them feel more intrinsic motivation than extrinsic, so that you don't have to bribe them with ice cream or this or that or that, to try and get the goal. They start to do it themselves. Now, if you did flick open your character development book and you saw that black belt journey, when they get to black tag, and I often say this to parents, when your child becomes a black tag and their black belt grading's in 3 months, you do not need to pack their bag and get them ready to go to class. They're packing your bag, okay?
Which one?
This one, do you mind if I borrow that, Ali?
Yeah, this is the
Hey, can I borrow this one? Cool. This is the black belt journey. When your child gets to this level, in every child's mind, the black belt is the biggest goal, right? Now, secretly, you guys are working on the black belt character, okay, which is the main goal. Now, that's something which develops over time, but of course, we're using this to inspire them, okay? When your child's a black tag, going for their black belt, they do not need that much encouragement. They're the ones encouraging you to get them to class.